Most Android users believe they know every app installed on their phone, but that's not actually true. Google has quietly installed 2 hidden system applications on millions of Android devices, and you won't find their icons anywhere in your app drawer. They simply appear in your phone's settings without asking for permission, which has many people left wondering whether these apps are secretly spying on them. If you have recently discovered them on your own device, don't panic just yet. In today's video, I am Ahmed and I'll show you exactly what these hidden Google apps do, why they were installed at first hand without your knowledge, and whether they pose any privacy risks, and most importantly, how can you remove them if you decide to do so. Make sure you watch this video until the very end because the second hidden app surprises almost everyone. Let's get started. First, we'll locate the first hidden application. For that, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner right here. Then scroll down and select Help and Feedback. In the search box, type Delete and open the article called Delete Apps on your Android device. Inside that page, tap the shortcut that says Tap to go to Application Settings. Once the apps page opens up, use the search bar and type Android, or look through the results until you find an app called Android System Key Verifier. Then tap on it. At first glance, it looks harmless because it appears to have no permissions at all. However, as you see, we cannot even tap into permissions. But if you can on your device, then tap on Permissions, then tap the 3-dot menu in the top right corner and choose All Permissions. You will notice here something interesting. One of the permissions allows the app to query all installed packages on your phone. That sounds alarming, and it's one of the reasons many users became suspicious after discovering it. So, what exactly is this app doing in your phone? Fortunately, its purpose is much less scary than its hidden installation suggests. This app is designed to improve the security of RCS messages that uses end-to-end encryption. If you send messages through Google's Messages app with RCS chats enabled, your conversations are protected with encryption so that only you and the recipient can read them. The Android System Key Verifier performs an additional security check by verifying that the encryption keys on both devices match and haven't been tampered with. In simple terms, it helps make sure nobody is secretly intercepting or modifying your encrypted conversations. Instead of spying on your messages, it's actually helping protect them. If you're concerned about message privacy, enabling RCS chats is one of the best things you can do right now. Simply open the Google Messages app on your phone, tap your profile picture, choose Messages Settings, then open RCS chats and make sure it's enabled. When both you and the person you are messaging use compatible devices, many conversations will be protected with end-to-end encryption. Based on its behavior and permissions, Android System Key Verifier appears to exist specifically for this security feature. Personally, I don't see it as a privacy threat, but the decision is entirely yours. If you rather want to remove it, then simply go back to the app information page and tap Uninstall and confirm your choice. Now, let's move to the second hidden application, and this one is definitely more controversial. Search for Android again in the app list or scroll down and you will find another app called Android System Safety Core. Unlike the previous app, this one is designed to analyze certain images on your phone. Before you panic, here's the important detail. It doesn't scan every photo stored on your device. According to Google, it only analyzes images that are sent or received through supported messaging features. Its purpose is to detect explicit or sexually sensitive content. If such an image is detected, the app can automatically blur it and display a warning before you choose whether to view it. Google says this entire scanning process happens directly on your device, meaning your photos are not uploaded to Google's servers during the analysis. That local processing is intended to improve privacy while still providing protection against unwanted explicit images. Even so, some users simply don't feel comfortable with any hidden app scanning their content, regardless of how it's implemented. If you're one of those users, you can remove Android System Safety Core by opening its app information page, tapping Uninstall, and confirming the removal. Ultimately, whether you keep these apps or remove them comes down to your own comfort level. The important thing is understanding what they're actually designed to do instead of assuming the worst simply because they were installed silently. Transparency matters, and knowing what's running on your phone helps you make informed privacy decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future Android tips and privacy guides. Also, be sure to watch my previous video where I reveal a powerful hidden Gmail feature that can save you time and completely change the way you manage your inbox. You might be surprised that such a useful feature has gone unnoticed by so many people. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until that day, this is Ahmed signing out.